Perfect, Nathan. Thank you for talking about that. It was really, really cool. So I'm just going to be talking about ocean pollution for a little bit here. It's been around for quite a while, but it hasn't been researched until the 1960s. And in the 1960s, they researched that there was 100 million tons of trash in the ocean. And now in the present, there's 5.25 trillion tons.
How big is that?
It's approximately the size of North America.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah. It's insane, and I believe the tipping point that is because that we keep on increasing the plastics that we use, and like we don't care about the impact it's making on the environment and like the whole ocean, right?
Yeah. And how does this affect the poor sea animals when it's eating?
No, yeah, for sure. A lot of this plastics and harmful chemicals are like getting into their food sources, and they are becoming food sources for them, right? A lot of the plastics that go in actually break down and they turn into what's called microplastics. And then these small fish are eating them, and then bigger fish eat them, and then we end up eating them because we eat all the fish, right? And it's estimated that by 2050, there's gonna be way more trash than fish in the ocean. And yes,
Fishing's gonna be difficult.
fishing would be very difficult, yeah. But there is an organization that's trying to like help, and if you search up anywhere on ocean pollution solutions, you're gonna see this website and this organization. It's called the Ocean Cleanup, and the way they're like combating it is they're setting up boats with 100-foot long nets, wide spanning, and going down rivers, catching and skimming up all the trash that's in their way. And it's a really effective way on picking up the trash and cleaning the rivers and oceans. So there is a really, really cool spot in the ocean, in the Pacific Ocean. It's called the GPGP, and it stands for the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. And it's a huge garbage patch that a bunch of trash clumped together to make a little island of trash, and it's equal to the size of Texas or France like 3 times. It's insane. It's insane. And there are a couple ways that we can combat it too. If we don't want to donate to these big organizations, we can just combat it by limiting down the plastics that we use, and also like just recycling and using plastic straws and reusing like water bottles or stuff like that.
Sorry, I don't mean to interrupt you, but
No,
do
for
you
sure.
know why these people are throwing so much garbage into the ocean?
Yeah, I personally think it's just because they don't care. Like a lot of these people are like, we can even see like with the plastic straws and paper straws debate, right? It's a big thing, and a lot of people don't really care that these paper straws are like eco-friendly. They just want plastic straws because they just like and prefer them. It's more convenient, right? Yeah, even though it's harming a lot of sea life. So I feel like that is probably the main thing that's humans are like not caring about. All right, so that's just a little bit about ocean pollution.
Thank you for that, Sam.
Yeah, no problem.